I'm off to Rhodes and I'm going to meet Michael and Ruth there. It's hard to leave Lalande, but I'm excited to go on holiday. And I'm shooting in landscape mode for the first time, so let me know what you think. Look after the chateau while I'm away.
They're taking a lot of notice, aren't they?
Yeah, a lot of notice, but I think that deep down they know.
They know.
Right, let's do this, Gerald.
Let's hit the road.
Mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Here we go, I found the rental car and now I have a 1-hour adventure to go and find the villa. Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just how much I've missed you. Here we go. Oh, wow. I can't believe this is going to be home for a week. Okay, we have come to the supermarket. Ruth and I are going to stock up the house before Michael gets here with loads and loads of goodies. We've been looking everywhere for hummus. We were thinking too small. This is the only one that they have in the supermarket. So how hungry are you, Ruth? How much do you want hummus?
Starving.
I mean, we are here a whole week.
Why are you putting it back?
Sorry. So I don't know what I was thinking. Michael's arrived from the Amazon just in time for the festival of Saint Sambika. Goodness knows we celebrated Saint Sambika like we have never celebrated him or her before. But we've finally got up for some more cultural pursuits this afternoon. We've come to the Acropolis of Lindos, which starts at its base with this incredible sculpture from 170 BC of the worship of the great sea captain Hagasandros. This was a powerful seafaring nation who made the first maritime law, which still forms part of international maritime law today. But the Lindians weren't just great sailors. They were also great orators, and there was a school of rhetoric on this site that even Julius Caesar and Cicero attended. But this was most importantly the site of the Temple of Athena, famous throughout the ancient world. In spite of St. Paul himself apparently coming to preach in the harbour here, pagan worship continued at this temple until 396 AD, a very specific end date, because in that year the Christian Byzantine emperor said that all pagan relics had to be destroyed. The priests here tried to stop him, but they were slaughtered. Ironically, the Acropolis became a great bastion of Christianity, as the Knights of St. John chose it to build their fort, and here you can see the ruins of their church. And amidst all these layers of history, I found the oldest thing of all, a tiny fossil in the rock, which just makes me think how we're specks of dust in the face of time. Okay, everyone, lunch is ready. Ruthie! Well, I think life is pretty much perfect at the moment. I think we nailed it in the supermarket. A goat has come to visit us. Hello, goat.
I'm blowing up the flamingo.
Oh, thank God. Finally, this holiday can start. Faster!
I think it's fine like this.
There's Michael and the limp flamingo.
Do you lose it every time you laugh? Let's make him laugh and then he has to fill it up again.
Several hours later. I don't know what you think, Ruth, but I'm a bit bored of the flamingo now.
I don't want a flamingo anymore. I want a unicorn.
It's my flamingo, so there.
No, what? Hang on, no, that doesn't work for us.
Where are your toys?
Crisis over. We now have a pool toy each. That is possibly the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. Ruth, you really need to look at your boyfriend right now. We're about to go into the old town of Rhodes, which is an incredibly preserved medieval town where the Knights of St. John lived for well over 200 years. And these are the original walls. The minute you walk through the gate, it's like stepping back in time. This is the Palace of the Grand Masters, and I still get a thrill when I can walk into buildings like this that I know I could never have seen in their day. So what do you think of it, Mikey? The whole old city of Rhodes.
Yeah, it's incredible.
But, oh, I say they've just kept the important part of that one. The Knights of St. John ruled Rhodes from 1306 to 1522 when they were finally defeated by Suleiman the Magnificent after a huge siege. I find it very moving to imagine them in this palace, wondering what to do whilst a siege is raging outside. I am also desperate to copy the wall decoration at Lalande. It would be perfect for the Renaissance part of the chateau. Now we're walking down the Street of the Knights. They were split into the different languages that they spoke, and most of the houses that they lived in were down here. This was the house of the French, who were the most powerful of the order. The hospital is now the Archaeological Museum, and it houses this gem from the 1st century BC known as the Rhodes Venus. She is absolutely perfect, and I can't believe she's that old.
Good morning, Steph. What are you up to?
Good morning. I am reading the House and Garden Country House Style Special because I'm getting lots of inspiration from Mummy's apartment, which is nearly at the decorating stage at Lalande, and I can't really think of a better place to work on it than here. This is my office today.
Go, Steffi, go! Steffi's doing an amazing time here. Straight through the pine forest. Go! Over the rides, all wheels off the ground!
Right. Well, after that incredibly peaceful drive, it's nice to stop at this calm monastery in the hills. Michael and I have both lit candles for our fathers who aren't with us anymore.
There's a sense in St. George's face that he's killed the last dragon.
There's our little paddling pool.
Oh, shit.
What's the matter?
It's quite deep.
And this is the intrepid South African explorer who's literally just come out of the Amazon.
Yeah, but the Amazon is you know, boatable.
I really can't believe you. Like, you're worried about a tiny stream. Oh, I'm being nibbled by fish. Oh, it's extremely pleasant. I wish we brought our swimming costumes. This is idyllic and there's no one for miles.
It's probably piranhas,
Oh, why didn't we bring a picnic?
or at least electric eels. Off she goes into the wilds, never to be seen again.
We've come to a remote village up in the hills to get away from the crowds and to try really local food. Well, if you ask me, Michael, there aren't enough restaurants in the world where you can order goat by the kilo.
I know.
We have local bread, cucumber salad, and my favourite, aubergine salad. This is the feta with honey,
Oh, that looks good.
fried stuffed tomato,
Oh, that looks good.
and zucchini flowers. The one you're most excited about.
Have you noticed how all of these things are deep fried?
That's because we were doing the ordering. It's your feta and honey.
Very excited about this.
And there is Michael's happy face. Oh my god, we even got a jazz hand. And finally, goat with oregano has arrived. Michael, I'm counting on you for the goat.
Yum, yum. Goat.
Goat for it. Michael and I were just driving back to Lindos from our really nice taverna meal. And there's this huge derelict building which is so beautiful. And it's completely open. I'm going to go and explore because this is the sort of building that calls to me and makes me want to restore it. Isn't it perfect? I want to restore everything. It's this perfect little hilltop village. We're really near the delicious taverna that we've just been to. It's desperate for our help. Look at this room. The most beautiful view from the window, and look at the fireplace. All mod cons already in place. Really, it's nearly ready to move in. Oh, I can already see the decoration. So this dark area here could be a dining room because it would be entirely candlelit at night. And then you walk through to the bright sitting room, which opens onto a huge terrace. With so many doors that you can just be totally indecisive about whether you're inside or outside all day long. And then it goes onto the terrace. Come and see. And look here! Look at the mosaic flooring downstairs. I wish we could buy it and restore it and make it beautiful. I think that wanting to transform places is a bug that never goes away.
These buildings just need love and laughter. They need us.
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you?